This exceptionally high quality canopy tent is huge and so easy to put together. Best Choice Products sent me this for review and I am so glad they did. It's a 12 by 12 pop-up canopy and you can put it together as one person in 10 minutes. I did it. It works wonderfully. Let me show you. All you do is pull it apart a little bit. It's really easy to pull apart. And then you'll add on the cover. It has little Velcro tabs on each corner, so it's really easy to add. And once you do that, you can pull it out a little more, but it's really about pushing this button in the middle. So go under it and just push that button up. I'm doing it here one-handed while holding the camera. Worked great. And once that's in, it's gonna stay in place. And then you just add a little more Velcro all around to make sure the top cover doesn't come off. Once you have the cover all Velcroed in place, you can raise it 3 different levels. It's really easy to raise. It just has a red button and you just slide out the legs. I went around in circles at first as I wasn't sure how tall I wanted it and got it all the way up to the tallest height. You can see here how easy this is. This is the red button. Super easy to press, very smooth, and it has those 3 holes that it will notch into. And once that's all in place, it's time to make sure your tent doesn't fly away, and you have a couple options for that. You have this string, which you can hook on the top corners, and these metal stakes. You can use the metal stakes with the string on the top corners, or just put the metal stakes right into the bottom of the poles. And then finally, you have sandbags, and these are really well designed. They're super thick. They have Velcro all around. You can definitely fill them with sand. I would recommend putting it in a bag first so you can take it in and out as you want, or use things like water bottles. Any weight will do, but as you can see, it's really quick to set up, and in the end, you get this exceptionally high quality, wonderful canopy tent for whatever needs you have. And when you're ready to take it down, it is just as easy, if not easier, to take down. I love the twist to unlock button at the top that makes it so super simple. And I do have one trick at the end here. Once I pull it all together, I make sure to roll up the top cover, as that makes it tight enough to fit in the bag, and then I slide it all in together. It works really, really well. Just shove everything in the top. It has a great zipper, and you are ready to roll. Great tent.